Good day to our respected panelists, Ma'am Andy Sorbano. I am Brent Leola, together with my team from BSIT3. We are here to present you our machine learning project entitled Predicting Optimal ROTC Position Delegation Using Machine Learning Based on Cadet Profiles. Our project addresses a common issue in the ROTC leadership assignment process, which often relies on subjective judgment. This can lead to unfair distribution of roles, missed leadership potential, and decreased morale. Through the use of machine learning, we offer a data-driven solution that assists ROTC officers in assigning the most suitable roles to cadets based on their profiles. And now, let me give you the quick overview of our project context. So, ROTC programs are meant to develop leadership, discipline, and accountability. However, when leadership roles are assigned based on inconsistent or biased judgment, the effectiveness of the program will suffer. Our system aims to solve this by analyzing academic records, physical fitness results, and leadership traits. We use this to generate accurate recommendation for ROTC positions. For further explanation of the problem we aim to address, let me turn you over to one of our document specialists, Mr. Gerald Armenta.
Thank you, Mr. Brent. So ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang mga problema na gusto nating solusyonan sa pamamagitan ng project nito. So, alam naman natin, lalo na tayong mga naging kadete, ang assignment ng leadership positions sa ROTC minsan ay based lang sa opinion ng mga officers. Minsan, walang malinaw na process or criteria. Kaya may chance talaga na may bias or inconsistency. So let me break it down to you sa tatlong main problems na nakita namin. Una, may mga kadete na na-assign sa leadership roles na hindi talaga bagay sa kanila. Siguro, kulang pa sa skills or hindi swak ang personality sa role. So kahit may mga potential sila, nagkaka-problem sa performance. Pangalawa, may mga deserving cadets na hindi nabibigyan ng opportunity. Bakit? Well, dahil minsan may favoritism o dahil lang walang klarong basehan para sa pagpili, kaya kahit high-performing ka, pwedeng ma-overlook. Pangatlo, dahil sa mga ganitong scenario, bumababa ang moral ng mga kadete. Nakaka-frustrate, di ba? Lalo na kung alam mong nag-effort ka, pero hindi ka napili sa posisyon na dapat para sa'yo. Kaya dito napasok ang role ng machine learning. Ang goal namin ay tanggalin ang bias at gawing performance-based at objective ang buong proseso. Imagine kung lahat ng factors, academic scores, physical tests, leadership traits, or i-consider ng system, hindi ba't mas magiging fair at ang pag-a-assign ng roles? So ayan po, that's the problem analysis. Ngayon naman, para ipaliwanag kung paano gagana ang proposed solution namin, I'll pass the mic to Eros Jade Pilar. Take it away, Eros.
So, thank you, Ate. Let's now proceed to the purpose and description. This project aims to develop a machine learning-based system that assists ROTC officers in assigning cadet positions based on a variety of profile attributes such as grades, physical fitness, attendance, at leadership evaluation. So, ang purpose ng aming system is to serve as a decision support tool para sa mga ROTC officers gamit ang machine learning na mag-a-analyze ng mga cadet profiles at magre-recommend ng leadership positions based sa kanilang mga strengths. So dito sa system namin, gumamit kami ng random forest algorithm dahil sa taglay nitong robustness and the ability to handle different features tulad ng academic performance, physical assessment, and attendance. So by integrating an intelligent recommendation system into a web application, the tool will function as a decision support system, offering transparency, fairness in the role assignment process while retaining command discretion. So this system is integrated into a web applications na kung saan ang mga officer ay nakakapag-input at makaka-receive ng real-time position suggestions. Ngunit it's important na i-highlight na itong tool na ito ay hindi para alisan ng kalayaan ng mga officers sa mga individual na pumili ng posisyon. Pero ito ay this is to be used as a data backup para ma-enhance gamit yung mga data backup insights sa pag uh, a-assign ng mga position. Now, to explain the objectives that we set while developing this project, I will now pass the floor to Miss Blessy Banyaria.
Thank you, Eros. Our project was guided by 4 main objectives. Number 1 is to develop a machine learning model that accurately predicts the most appropriate ROTC leadership position based on cadet profile. So, una sa lahat, our goal is to build a machine learning model na kayang predict kung anong leadership position ang pinaka-akop sa isang cadet based sa kanilang profile. So, kasama sa profile na to yung mga information tulad ng academic performance, physical fitness scores, leadership ratings, at iba pa. So, using AI, you can get recommendation hindi lang based sa opinion ng isang tao or kakilala. Number 2 is to design an intuitive and user-friendly web interface for inputting cadet data and displaying position recommendations. Our team also created a user-friendly UI. Dito pwedeng i-input ang data ng bawat cadets, then after that, lalabas ang suggested leadership position. Our goal is to make this process more accessible kahit para sa mga hindi tech-savvy. Number 3 is to enhance transparency and objectivity in position assignments through data-driven suggestions. So, we also want to strengthen the transparency at fairness sa pagpili ng mga leaders sa ROTC. Hindi lang to be sa kakilala or palakasan sa system because the model is data-driven. Mas nagiging objective at patas ang recommendation kaya mas mataas ang tiwala ng mga cadets sa process. And number 4 is to analyze and rank features. For example, academic performance, physical assessment scores that most significantly influence role suitability. So, panghuli, gusto rin natin ma-identify kung alin sa mga features o qualifications ng cadet ang pinakamalakas ang epekto sa pagpili ng role. Halimbawa, mas mahalaga ba ang leadership score kaysa sa academic performance para sa isang platoon leader? Gamit ang feature analysis ng machine learning, malalaman natin kung ano talaga ang pinaka-importanting factors. These objectives shape both development and implementation of our system. And now, to present the key features of our application, I'd like to call on Mr. Abel Lorante Landiana. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Banyari. Now let's take a closer look at the main features of our system. Machine learning model. The system uses random forest to accurately classify cadets based on data and recommend the most suitable roles. Web-based interface. Developed using Python and Flask. This interface allows officers to easily input cadet data and access the result. Result justification. The system shows which data points contributed to the prediction, making the decisions transparent and explainable. Data visualization. The system provides feature importance graphs on fusion matrix and performance metrics to evaluate prediction accuracy. Database support. All cadet profiles and predictions results are stored using either SQLite or Firebase depending on deployment setup. These features makes our system functional, accessible, and valuable for real-world ROTC operations. Now let's dive to the main web-based application, which is the ROTC Position Predictor, advanced AI-powered system to predict optimal leaderships positions for ROTC cadets based on comprehensive performance metrics and behavioral analysis. So why choose our system? AI-powered predictions, comprehensive analytics, leadership development, data management, real-time dashboard, secure and reliable. As we can see here, we have 95% prediction accuracy, 500 plus cadet analyzed 4 position types, and 24/7 system availability. Now let's go to the actual application. You can see here the cadet information, which is the personal information, academic performance. We have the GPA, physical fitness score, communication skills, attendance rate, leadership scores. Our database statistics after the predict position. Quick actions, we have the train model, view stats, export data, and the delete option. Now let's take a quick example of the name. To summarize and formally conclude our presentation, I now turn you over to our UI designer, Gerald Panon.
Thank you, Abe. Now, to end our presentation, ang goal po ng aming project ay mapagbigay ng modern at data-driven solution sa luma at minsan subjective na sistema sa ROTC role assignment. Sa tulong ng machine learning, gusto po namin matulungan ang mga officers na makapag-desisyon ng maayos, patas at consistent pagdating sa pag-assign ng leadership role sa mga cadet. Hindi lang po ito makakatulong na ma-maximize ang potential ng bawat isa dahil makakatulong din ito sa pagbuo ng tiwala at transparency ng mga cadets. Muli, kami ang Blue Power Pack at maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig.